Hello children, Namaste. Already we completed our first layer. Do you remember what is the name of the layer children? Yes, it is the photograph. Now we are going into the second lesson, that is our poem. You can't be that. So before I start the poem, I want to show you some slides. Children, can you identify who is he? Yes, he's having a gun in his hand. He's a police officer and you all know what does he do, isn't it children? See the second slide, children. When you are not feeling well, you go to him. Yes, he is a doctor. He gives medicines and cures your illness. See the next slide. Who are they, children? Yes, they are the lawyers who argue in the court, isn't it? Next slide. A girl holding a mic in her hand. Can you identify who she is? Yes, she is a singer. Her occupation is singing. Now, can you identify, children, who she is? Yes, she is a teacher. You all know her very well, isn't it, children? She teaches you, she guides you. See the next slide, children. Who is he? Yes, he is a pilot. Do you all know what does a pilot do? He flies aeroplanes or helicopters, isn't it? Now see the last slide, children. Who is he? He is having a letter in his hand. Do you all know? Yes, he is a postman. He will give the letters to you. Till now, children, you have seen different occupations, isn't it? Now, coming to the lesson part. That is our second poem, You Can't Be That. Children, I am giving you one activity. Okay? You have to find out from your parents what they want you to become. When you grow up, what your parents want you to become. Okay, all of you look into your textbook, page number 12. We are going to start our new lesson, that is layer 2. It's a poem, You Can't Be That. Children, you all know that each and every lesson, the starting part will be eye connect, isn't it? So let's start with the eye connect. Here you are seeing a picture. It's a picture of postman. Yes. Now all of you listen to the paragraph. A postman has a long, difficult day. He goes from house to house to deliver letters. His work begins early in the morning when he goes to the post office where the letters are sorted. He collects the letters that he has to deliver in his area and goes house to house and office to office making deliveries of letters and parcels. His work is tiring as he works till late in the evening. A postman plays an important role in society. So here they have given a brief description about a postman. A postman has a long difficult day. Why? Because from morning to evening he will be working. He goes from house to house to deliver, means to distribute, to give the letters. His work begins early in the morning. Okay, he goes to the post office where the letters are sorted, means where the letters will be separated. Then he collects the letters and he has to deliver in his area and goes from house to house, office to deliver these letters. His work is tiring, means full he will be tired, because why? From morning till late in the evening he will be working. So a postman plays an important role in society. Okay, children. Now see, listen to the conversation between Ritvik and a postman and mark the statements as true or false. So I'll be giving you a audio conversation. You have to listen to that it is a conversation between Ritvik and a postman. And down see they have given about 5 statements. Whether the statements are true or false, you have to mark it. This is the home task for you. And down they have given one question. What do you want to be when you grow up? Okay, children, you have to write there what you want to be, what you want to become when you grow up. So this is the home task. All of you look into your textbook, page number 17. This is also the home task for today. Now see, this is I extend. What they have given? Write the name of any one person who has achieved laurels in these professions. They have given some names here, some professions. Astronaut, politician, chef, mountaineer, athlete. So you have to write the name of any one person who has achieved laurels, means who have achieved recognition in these professions. And it is the A Roman. Come to the B. Write in the box below what your aim in life is. Then research and complete the other boxes as per the instructions. In this box, you have to write what your aim in life is. Okay. Now, see here they have given a tabular form. Why do you have the determination and qualities required for the same? Qualification needed. how are you preparing for it? For example, I want to become a doctor. Why you want to become a doctor, you have to write. Why you took that aim? Why your ambition is that? Do you have the determination and qualities required for the same? And which qualification is needed if you want to become a doctor? And finally, how are you preparing for it? So, I connect and I extend is the home task for today. Tomorrow, we'll start the layer 2.